Hey, welcome back. It's time to understand the global market situations. We will go through all the major markets and will evaluate what is happening in each markets. We will dive into major markets, and the major markets will give us the story, and what it has happening in each market will help you understand the overall scenario of the global market. We're going to start with the US market. We can see that the US market has seen a growth of 0.15%. That is a growth from somewhere near 5478.09 to 5569.06. The trend in Europe is slightly different from what we have seen in the US market. The European market has seen a drop of 0.03%. That is a slight drop compared to other major markets where we have seen a drop. The situation in Asia looks mixed. We can see that the major Asian market, China, has seen a drop of 0.23%. It is a drop much more severe than the drop we have seen in the European market. The Chinese market is now stands at 3279.03. That is showing a clear drop from somewhere near 3282.29. The situation in the Indian market looks pretty similar to what we have seen in the Chinese market and European market. Indian market has seen a drop of 0.01%. That is at the time when the market is nearing its close. That indicates that Indian market is showing a kind of indecision right now, and there is more possibility that the market may slightly go up in the coming minutes. The trend in the Japanese market is exactly different from what we have seen in other two major Asian markets. Japan right now resembles the trend mostly in the US market than the trend in China or India or Europe. The trend in Japan is up. The market has seen a growth of 1.13%. That is a jump to 36452.30%. We can see the other major markets, the two other major markets are South Africa and Australia. Both these markets are showing bullish momentum. When it comes to South Africa, it's a bullish move of 0.30%. When it comes to Australia, the bullish momentum is 0.24%. That is an overall view. If you want me to give an overall perspective, we can say that except three major markets, Europe, China, and India, all the other major markets are in a bullish side. The trend in India is not as bullish as what we have seen in China. That means the Indian market, which is nearing a close, is likely to go slightly upwards. There is more chance in the Indian market to go to bullish side than to plummet to bearish side. That's an overview. Thank you for listening. I'll get back to you with the latest market updates next day.